here to introduce you to this wonderful, fun-filled game, Recap by Tortue Games. Come, let me explain. There's the main board with 24 animal pictures printed on it with 24 corresponding animal cards. You have to place the cards like so, facing up. Then, once you see all the cards, you flip them back downwards. The youngest player starts the game. The youngest player asks the opponent to pick a card and he has to rewind his memory as he recaps the animal behind the card. If he gets a successful guess, he gets the card. The first person to collect the 13 animal cards wins the game. In case one forgets, there are hint and recap tokens to help you. This game is a big stress buster. It improves brain health, memory skills, concentration and focus. This is one of my favorite games. It helps you spend more quality time with your friends, family, parents and grandparents. And the best part is, it keeps you totally off screen. So, I highly recommend this game for you. Hope you enjoy as much as I do. Enjoy!